Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Musetex ATX PC case. This gaming case comes with 6 BWM RGB fans and a metal pouring side panel tempered gloss door combined. Make the lights through the tempered gloss door for great cool effect, while the coloring of lights makes the tower case even more cool and outstanding. DIY lighting effects whenever you want. No need to remove screws. Can super easily open inner case to clean radiator and graphics card dust. Also easy to put in different dolls. Friends will think your case is cool. Not only is it more stylish than other brands of gaming cases, but it also solves cooling problems much better. Tempered glass side panel with metal pull ring and magnets that can be opened at any time for 76% better cooling than non-side opening mid-tower PC cases. Easily install internal PC components and place any hand puppet you like. Add to the fun. On number 2, we have Corsair 4000D case. Includes 2 Corsair 120mm air guide fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Motherboard will fit in our 4000 series cases without any issue. The Corsair Rapid Route cable management system makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single channel, with a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Combining innovative cable management, concentrated airflow, and proven Corsair build quality, the 4000D is a fitting choice for an immaculate high-performance PC. A spacious interior fits up to 6 120mm or 4 140mm cooling fans, along with multiple radiators including 360mm in front and 280mm in the roof. On number 3, we have Corsair IQ 4000X case. Includes 3 Corsair 120mm air guide RGB fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Each fan is equipped with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs for brilliant customizable lighting. The Corsair Rapid Route cable management system makes it simple and fast to build an immaculate, professional-looking system with major cables neatly routed through a single channel, with a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Show off your components and RGB lighting with tempered gloss side and front panels, built with dedicated front ventilation channels for ample airflow. On number 4, we have Vetrol L600 case. Pre-installed 3 120mm ARGB fans in the front and 3 120mm regular fans in the rear and bottom provides the better airflow for the case and components. With support for up to a 360mm liquid cooling radiator in top, the case is easy to build with and easy to cool your CPU better. Reinstalled fans and 2 fan location next to the motherboard can provide the great airflow for the CPU, GPU, and case in the same time. You can customize RGB lighting and speed, create vivid, dynamic lighting and speed synchronized with the rest of your system. Hinged and magnetic tempered glass side panel with hand provide convenient to remove without any tools. So these are some of the best Mid Tower ATX PC case with fans in 2023. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.